Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. So I had just unboxed yesterday, it's still on my desk, is the SCT sampler, and I got more happy mail. This is from the Coco and Reno website. So I subscribed to this new die cutting subscription, and that's what this is. This is here a paper craft subscription, and it comes with a die and stamps and paper and stuff. This one comes only with the dies, but I wanted to show it to you how it came and let you know. So I'm in Canada, and it took just over 2 weeks for this to come from the time that I ordered it. I ordered it at the end of last month, June, and it took this time to get here, but I've seen Coco and Reno for a while now, and the thing that really appealed to me about this time is this semicircle album. Many times I kind of considered subscribing, but this one was the one that I just couldn't resist. So I'm really excited because we get these samplers where I get these small little bits of paper to try. I actually wanted to use this, and you can see here how it's already going to work really well to be able to use the sampler as a a way to use up and create a whole album, because you have just a minimal number of supplies. You couldn't make like a whole 12 by 12 scrapbook out of it. Like, you could make a scrapbook layout, but I can make a whole mini album in combination. So I thought I would show these to you, how it comes in, and now I will go and create something, and then I will share with you my creations. Okay, so here we are with the finished product. I have created a die cut mini album with a charm on the side. You can see how I've done the charm here, put a little eyelet in. I've created a dangle with all these gorgeous charms. So I used my SCT sampler to create this. These are some handmade flowers that I've made, and a little heart. I've made a shaker with the word hello inside. And then I actually made this album out of chipboard, and it was an experiment that I think next time I will only make the cover out of chipboard, because it's really sort of stiff to open. So it looks really nice and it has a good sturdiness to it. But the other thing I would do is I'd put ribbons in ahead of time and then tie the album up. And so it stayed nice. Although because it is rigid, it does stay pretty shut. Like, there's the difference of how I would like it to be and how it sits. But that is it. So I used my SCT sampler. This is the Maggie Holmes round trip collection, and it's a perfect way to use up 6x6 papers. So I got a chance to use the whole collection to make this little mini album, and really I had very little to work with overall. If you're interested in seeing the sampler materials, I have an unboxing that you can watch and see everything that comes in that subscription. So I've used 2 subscriptions here, my Coco and Reno subscription for the actual die cuts, and then the paper I used my SCT sampler subscription. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.